Lego bricks are known for being super strong. But what happens when they meet a powerful chemical like acetone? Probably something like that. Today, I'm testing whether Lego can survive against acetone or be completely destroyed by it. The purpose of this experiment is to test how acetone affects Lego plastic and to understand the chemical properties behind it. Lego bricks are made from a plastic called ABS, which is strong and durable. However, acetone is a solvent that can break down certain plastics by weakening their structure. Basically, acetone is like that one friend who ruins everything.
Enrique, are you serious right now, bro? Bro, that was not funny. This gets to the point already, you should.
Alright. So, in order to do the experiment, you will need the following materials. Lego pieces, a small amount of acetone, gloves and safety protection for the acetone, and of course, a shipping container, a container.
Hello?
Oh, sorry. Now I got the gloves on, and second step, I guess, is put the little guy in the jar. And a couple of you are probably wondering, how am I going to show the before and after results? Well, I got this guy. Another one. Stay prepared, so. Again. Then obviously the thing that's going to kill the Lego, destroy it, is this is the part where things get a little bit complicated. I'm gonna say bye to this guy, and yeah, hopefully it doesn't get clouded in your... I then placed the Lego pieces in a controlled environment and exposed them to acetone for a short period of time. I waited 30 minutes, and after that time was over, I opened the container and took out the remains of the Lego bit. Well, after some messing around with this is very much done. I guess it's completely rotted. I don't know what's the right term for this, but basically there are some still hard pieces in here, as if I could somehow remove all this excess waste and probably still have an intact Lego piece in there. There are definitely, like, for example, this one, I click on it and I do feel some type of, like, connection, there are still some, like, pieces around in there. What I observed was that the Lego pieces began to lose their shape and surface texture. This shows that acetone weakens the plastic structure. This happens because acetone breaks down the bonds in ABS plastic, causing it to soften or dissolve. This demonstrates how chemical compatibility is often important in material design. So after breaking the build, you can clearly see that there are still some intact pieces within the Lego, that being the connection point between the Lego bricks where you connect them. If I had let the build longer, it would have dissolved even more to the point where it would not even be still intact in the inside. For this project, I reused recycled materials such as a jar for a container, Lego pieces and bricks I already owned. This helps reduce waste and supports sustainable engineering. In conclusion, Lego is strong under normal conditions, but not resistant to certain chemicals like acetone. This experiment highlights how materials behave differently depending on their environment. Understanding material science is important in real-world engineering, especially when designing products that need to resist chemicals or extreme conditions. So yeah, Lego survived stepping on it, but not chemistry.